Welcome to Tech to the Bone. On this channel, I discuss all things in technology, including networking, repairs, tech news, reviews, and more. I always try to keep my videos straight to the point, so I can get the essential information to you quickly and efficiently. At its core, a computer is an electronic device that processes and stores information. This tiny chip you see here is a microprocessor, the brain of the computer. But today's computers are much more than just a single chip. They consist of a variety of hardware components, including a keyboard, mouse, monitor, and central processing unit or CPU. Putting a computer together may seem daunting, but it's actually a relatively simple process. You start with a case, install the power supply and motherboard, connect the CPU, add memory and storage, and connect the input and output devices. Laptops or notebooks are computers that are portable and designed to be used on the go. They are smaller in size and have a built-in keyboard, display, battery, and touchpad. Tablet computers are even smaller and more portable than laptops. They are highly versatile and can be used for a wide range of tasks, including browsing the web, sending emails, and watching movies. And finally, smartphones are a type of computer that fits in our pockets. They have become an indispensable part of our lives and offer a wide array of features like internet access, messaging, and even mobile gaming. So, the next time you use a computer, remember that it's much more than what meets the eye. It's a complex piece of technology that plays a vital role in our lives. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.